Hello and welcome to Krista So Crafty. Today I want to show you how I go about taking HTV off of a hoodie or a garment. The vinyl was not sticking and therefore I wanted to remove it so I could try to salvage this. So what I do is I take my little mini heat press and I put it on the medium heat, and then I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it inside of the sleeve. In this case, you want to put it on the back side of the vinyl of the HTV, and then you're just going to lay the HTV on top of that, and the heat will release the glue or heat up the glue so you can release the vinyl. Now, it doesn't remove all of the adhesive, so this doesn't work if you just want to remove it and wear it as is, because as you'll see later, as soon as you wash it, it's going to pick up the lint and stick it to whatever it was that's there. But if you're wanting to remove it and put something over top of it, like I'm going to do, this will work just fine. So it is very hot, so be careful. But all I'm doing is using my pick to gently pick up the edge of it, and then once it's up, I just use my fingernails and pull it off. And you can kind of see the adhesive there. At this point in time, I don't really know how to get the adhesive part off, but if you know of any way to get it off, please let me know in the comments below. But this does work to take the HTV off, and so then, like I said, I'm going to recut out my letters and I'm going to replace them on there. I think must have been some sort of a film or something that was on the hoodie itself, like from the manufacturers or whatever. It's almost like it was slippery. I did throw this, once I got this all off, I ran it through the wash machine and it didn't have that slippery feel anymore, so I think that's what it was. Now, let me show you the hoodie. So it's a nice hoodie. It's what is the brand? It's a Denver Haze hoodie. It's really a really nice hoodie. But I want to show you what happened. And of course, so I took the HTV off, which I was happy that it was able to come off. And when I threw it in the wash and I went to transfer it, the lint from the other clothes that were in there apparently stuck to the bit of the adhesive that was still on the hoodie. I tell you, some days it's always fun doing this stuff. I think it's going to be okay. It looks good. Like, that turned out really good. You can't see any of the adhesive behind it. And as far as the sleeve, I think it's going to be okay. Can you see this? Of course, I've got it pressed, so it's got wrinkles in it, but there you go. These things happen when you're crafting, you know. Things happen, I get it, but it can be very frustrating, and it can be very, it's hard when things don't work out the way you want them to. But this is a lesson that I'm going to take for perseverance, trying to lay this out so you can see it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you were able to get something out of it and that maybe it might help you in the future. Thank you again for joining me, and happy crafting.